Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then you have to locate and open the settings. Now find and pick General Management and go to date and time. And here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off by clicking on this switcher. And now you can smoothly select time zone and region. So just pick the preferred one, the preferred option, and then you can set date and time. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. So let's go to 2021, let's skip 2020 as it's not the best one. Now let's set the hour, here it is. And that's it. So you've just changed the date and time on your device in your Samsung Galaxy M21. You can also customize your clock, so you can either use 24-hour format clock or you can turn it off. And now you will have 12-hour format clock. And then whenever you want to turn off manual setup and go back to automatic ones, just tap here. And now everything will be set up automatically. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.